Hey guys, it's Allie Dazzle for We Are Memory Keepers. I'm the social media manager there, and I am so excited to show you our new Stitch Happy sewing machine. Aren't they pretty? So we've got the pink and the gold and the mint and the silver, and these things are so awesome. So if you just like to do regular sewing projects, this is just like a basic sewing machine. You can use your regular thread, your regular fabric, and sew whatever projects you like with fabric. It's enhanced though for paper crafters. So let me tell you how this is different. So one thing that you need to know is you can use your thick floss, baker's twine, metallic thread, and this machine can handle it. It's not going to jam up on you. It also has a special needle that's coated so that it doesn't dull when you use it with paper. So you don't have to switch your needles out anymore, which is really nice. Check out the little storage compartment here on the side where you can keep your extra bobbins, your extra spools, your extra needles, whatever you want in there. It's got an enhanced motor, so it can go through several sheets of paper. It can go through thicker fabric. It can go through like fake leather, the pleather stuff. So we have the mixed media friends in mind here, so they can do their fun projects. So we sell several colors of thread and floss and baker's twine. We also have this really darling toolkit over here that's got just some pins, you know, a threader, the oil, a tape measure, so just your basic things. We have a lovely set of scissors. Hey, if you don't want to accidentally use your fabric scissors on paper and dull them, then we've got them marked with paper and fabric, and they're different colors and they're pretty, of course. We've got vanishing pens, so if you want to mark on your fabric, this disappears. We sell the needles, kits with multimedia pieces, so you can do fabric and paper together. We've got like straight sewing projects, darling pin cushions, a foot pedal cover. How cute is that? So for all of you crafters out there that like to sew and like to mix your paper and your fabric, this is definitely for you. We've got a lot of excitement about this on our social media, so people are thrilled about this.